What's up, Alphas? I hope you guys have been enjoying our new holiday series. Now, in this video, what I would like to talk to you guys about is how are you going to promote scarcity and excitement for your upcoming sales for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Small Business Saturday, and any other holiday sales that you plan to host. One of the little tricks that I personally use that you may have noticed in the past is a countdown timer that I put directly into my emails when I'm using MailChimp.com. Now, if you guys use a mail service like MailChimp where you can put code into your emails, this is going to be a very valuable video that's going to teach you exactly how to promote scarcity so you can get your buyers to act quickly as they see that countdown timer ticking down. So if you guys want to learn how to create your own countdown timer for your emails, for your website, and to promote that scarcity for your Black Friday and holiday sales, keep watching. And then after the video, we've got a special freebie for you. So the tool that we're going to be using today to create a countdown timer for your emails is Sendtrick.com, Sendtric.com. And that link will be down below in the video description. But basically, this is going to allow you to put a countdown timer right into your emails. You can even see that the example that they have is a MailChimp screen. You can also use these on your website. If you have a WordPress site, I have a countdown timer on mine when we launch Handmade Alpha Academy. So that is also an option, but these are mainly meant for emails. So what we're going to do is enter our email address, enter your time zone, when you want your timer to end. So we'll go ahead and set it for Saturday at 8 p.m. Then we are going to add a background color, which in this case, see, this one would be blue. I usually use white. That way it, kind of sticks out really nice here. And then we are going to do our labels, which is where it says hours, minutes, and seconds. We'll go ahead and do this one for Halloween. We'll grab maybe like a purple and an orange. And then if you want to do exact color hex codes for your branding colors, you can throw those in here as well. We'll go ahead and agree to the terms of service. And now we have generated a nice code. And if you don't like the color combination that you end up with, you can easily just pop in, generate a new one. It only takes a few seconds, but it's really easy to use, and it only takes like a second to generate a new code. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this piece of code right here. You can right click and copy the code and then take it into MailChimp. Oop, let me go ahead and delete this out of here. There we go. This is actually an email I sent out today for one of my collection launches, but I'm just going to use this as a template idea. I like to put things like we're starting in, blah, blah, blah when I'm doing a launch. Or you can say the sale starts in da-da-da. Or the sale ends in da-da-da. You want to really try to promote that scarcity. So what we're going to do next is grab this code content block and drag it into the email. And then we are going to paste that little bit of code right here. You want to get rid of use your own custom HTML and paste in your new piece of code. And there it is. Now you'll notice that it's a little bit off center. You can always center it by typing in center and do /center. There we go. Center /center. That's going to put it in the center of your email. And we will save and close. And now you have a cool little countdown timer to help promote some scarcity for your sales. All right, Alphas, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to also subscribe to my channel if you need more help with your Etsy shop, because we're going to be posting these little holiday videos every Tuesday for the next few weeks to help get you ready for the holiday season. Also, make sure that you grab my Black Friday survival guide down below if you need help getting your shop ready for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or Small Business Saturday sales. That free guide is down below, and you can even incorporate some of the tips that you learned in today's video into your emails that you'll be sending for your holiday sales events. All right, Alphas, we'll be back on Tuesday with another new video for you. Until then, have a great week. See ya.